Hey everybody, welcome back. We're back on the LT4. Picked up a different day. The other video was starting to get long and it was starting to get late after we got the heads on. So previous video we have stripped this thing down, put it back together, Texas speed cam. It's a real deal LT4. ARP head studs. About to go back in with these Manton push rods. So there's the Manton push rods. These are 7.850, part number 304. About to put these in, and then we have the CHE trunnion upgraded rockers that are about to go in. So haven't done a whole lot to it. I went ahead and put the fuel rails on real quick and the pump, and then Dad's in the back there. This week he went ahead and installed the LT5 cam into that 6.2. We did it was already DOD deleted. So we put the a DOD delete cam in it, and I torqued the heads down off video. Just didn't want to mess with it. It's kind of hot today. So we're just getting a few things done. Probably be a pretty short video. Okay, got the CHEs on. So simple procedure, 22 foot-pounds, rotate the engine, check torque, rotate the engine, check torque. Nothing really to it. But about to button it up with the valve covers. And still waiting on the front end kit. It's been a long time waiting on the front end kit, so whenever it gets here we'll get that put on. This one's not getting transmission, and I think we'll be getting the supercharger at some point back so we can put it on. Still got the lid and everything for it over there, but yep, looking good. I think it's getting some long tube headers too. We gotta put those on. May do that today. Possibly. So Dad's getting ready to paint the DOD deleted 6.2 with the LT5 cam. So I guess it's a good day to paint. I don't know, it's hot. It's hot as can be.
It's a good day.
Yep. He's not mic'd up because he's about to paint. But so got the valve covers back on, Speed Engineering headers on. Looks pretty cool with the polish and the black and the pan. Looks really nice. Still waiting on the supercharger so we can put it on. And then, like I said, the front end kit's in transit from what I was told, so looking pretty good. So Dad got the paint work done. This is our antique nickel we like to run. We really like this color. Turns out real nice, so pretty cool. That's gonna do it for us. Short video today. Got a few things done, still waiting on parts. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Ring the notification bell. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.